Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter at 24K, and here we go with the unboxing of the LG G8 ThinQ from AT&T. So here's the phone. It's quite slippery. Here's the buttons here. The two cameras on the back, then you have the finger sensor and the flash. And then in the front, you have the live screen. There's a notch up here where there's a camera and another sensor. All the pre-installed apps right there. This runs with Android 9 Pie. And then further inside the box, we have loads of paperwork and information. So there's that. Then we also have the LG charger. This is for fast charging, and we'll get into that in just a little bit. And then a USB Type A to USB Type C charging cable. Charge the phone. And some more details about the phone. It has a 6.1-inch screen. It comes with 128 gigabyte capacity, 6 gigs of RAM. It's QHD Plus OLED with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The resolution on the screen is 3120 by 1440. It has a 12 megapixel standard angle lens on the back with f1.5, along with a 16 megapixel wide angle lens with f1.9. It can live capture video at 4K at 60 frames a second. That is quite a bit. It has different studio lighting, so you can take different pictures using the selfie camera on the front. It has a 3500 milliamp battery, so talk time is up to 19.5 hours. Standby time is up to 21 days, which is amazing. So in 37 minutes of charging with this fast charger right here, you can get up to 50% battery life and 105 minutes to 100%. With that, comes with a Qualcomm SnapDragon 855 processor. It's Octa-Core, has 1 gold prime at 2.84 gigahertz, 3 gold at 2.42 gigahertz, and 4 silver CPUs at 1.79 gigahertz. Has a MicroSD card slot that can handle up to 2 terabytes of additional storage. And like I said, it has 6 gigabytes of RAM. This is the LG G8 ThinQ from AT&T, and you'll see more details in the description. I want to thank AT&T for sending it along for me to review it and try out. And we'll see you soon. Please subscribe to the channel and follow me on Twitter, 24K.